So finally, the first ever unboxing is here in our channel. Today, let us unbox the Insta360 X3.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
So, let's see what's inside the box. Well, here is the king of the show, the Insta360 X3. We'll see this later. And let's see what's the other stuff inside this box. And these are some paperworks, the USB-C to C charging cable, some stickers. And this is the warranty card. And the providing lens cleaning cloth. And also pouch with good quality. And see how it's look when we put inside this. Coming to the physical overview. This is the charging port from here, and you can also connect the external sources from here, and this is the battery slot and also the SD card slot. You can place the micro SD card here. You can shoot the video up to highest of 6K and minimum of 1080p resolutions. Let us see the modes inside this camera. Under the single lens mode, it has photo mode, video mode, me mode, loop recording, and under the 360 mode, it has a active HDR mode, time lapse, time shift, bullet time, loop recording, star lapse, burst interval, HDR photos. I'm not going to tell about how these modes work cause I already have made a video on that. Just go through the video. This is how this camera is recording the video. Into the in-hand field, it feels premium and very comfortable in hands and little bit heavier, and it is not much a problem. This is the Insta360 selfie stick. It got invisible while we are recording the video, and you can buy it aside with approximately 1500 rupees. So here are some camera samples that we took with this Insta360 X3. Have a look on that.
Like, comment, and subscribe.